Have you been feeling more tired than usual, less motivated, or struggling to concentrate lately? Do your workouts feel less productive, or has your drive, confidence, and overall vitality noticeably declined? If so, low testosterone may be quietly affecting your body, even if you're in your 20s, 30s, or 40s. In this video, we'll explore what low testosterone actually does, the key symptoms to watch for, the hidden causes behind it, and natural strategies to help restore healthy levels. By the end, you'll understand why so many men experience fatigue, low libido, mood swings, and reduced motivation, and more importantly, how to begin reversing these effects. Testosterone is often labeled as the male hormone, but that description barely scratches the surface. It plays a critical role in regulating multiple systems within the body, including muscle mass and strength, by supporting lean muscle development and metabolic function, fat metabolism by helping reduce abdominal fat accumulation, bone density by maintaining structural strength and reducing fracture risk, mood and motivation through its influence on emotional stability and drive, cognitive performance by enhancing focus, memory, and mental clarity, sexual health by supporting libido and erectile function, and overall energy levels by sustaining daily vitality. When testosterone levels decline, these systems don't fail in isolation. They begin to weaken together, creating a gradual but noticeable drop in overall performance and well-being. This is why low testosterone often feels like a slow, persistent decline rather than a single obvious issue. The symptoms can be subtle at first and are often mistaken for stress, aging, or lifestyle burnout. One of the most common signs is a decline in libido and sexual performance, including reduced interest in sex, difficulty maintaining erections, and fewer morning erections, which can signal reduced hormone production during sleep. Persistent fatigue is another major indicator, where even adequate rest doesn't restore energy, leaving you feeling sluggish, mentally foggy, and unmotivated throughout the day. Physically, low testosterone can lead to muscle loss, reduced strength, and increased fat accumulation, particularly around the abdomen, creating a cycle where reduced muscle mass lowers metabolism, leading to further fat gain and hormonal imbalance. Mood changes are also common, including irritability, anxiety, mild depression, and a general loss of drive, creating a feedback loop where poor sleep further suppresses hormone production. Physical performance may decline as well, with reduced endurance, slower recovery, and decreased strength, even in individuals who train consistently. Many men also report emotional flattening, where activities that once felt rewarding no longer provide the same sense of satisfaction, alongside a noticeable drop in motivation driven by impaired dopamine signaling, making it harder to pursue goals or maintain discipline. Recognizing these symptoms early is essential, as they often develop gradually and appear in combination rather than isolation. What's important to understand is that this trend is becoming increasingly common. Understanding these underlying causes is the first step toward taking control and restoring balance. Cause 1. Chronic stress. Stress is one of the biggest culprits behind low testosterone. Short-term stress is natural and can improve performance and focus, but chronic low-level stress, the kind most men experience daily, is where the real damage occurs. Modern stressors include work deadlines and pressure, financial stress, constant smartphone notifications, and ongoing social and personal responsibilities. When the body perceives stress, it releases cortisol, the primary stress hormone. While cortisol is helpful in short bursts, chronically elevated levels directly suppress testosterone production. This can lead to reduced libido, mood swings, disrupted sleep, and mental fatigue, gradually pushing the body into a constant survival mode state, where hormonal balance is disrupted. Managing stress effectively is therefore one of the most powerful ways to protect and restore healthy testosterone levels. Cause 2. Poor sleep. Sleep is the foundation of hormonal health, as it is during deep sleep that the body repairs tissues, restores energy, and regulates key hormones, including testosterone. In fact, testosterone production peaks during deep sleep cycles, meaning that poor or insufficient sleep directly reduces hormone output, leading to fatigue, low libido, and reduced energy. Common sleep disruptors include late-night screen exposure, where blue light suppresses melatonin, irregular sleep schedules, stress or anxiety before bed, and the use of caffeine or alcohol close to bedtime. Prioritizing high-quality, consistent sleep is one of the most effective. Cause 3. Nutrient deficiencies. The body requires specific nutrients to produce testosterone efficiently, including zinc, which is essential for hormone synthesis and reproductive health, magnesium, which supports hormone regulation and stress response, vitamin D, which is strongly linked to testosterone levels, and healthy fats, since cholesterol is a direct precursor for testosterone production. However, modern diets, especially those high in processed foods, refined carbohydrates, and unhealthy fats, often lack these essential nutrients. Cause 4. Sedentary lifestyle. The human body is designed for movement, yet modern lifestyles are increasingly sedentary, with long hours spent sitting at desks, commuting, and minimal physical activity throughout the day. This lack of movement reduces circulation, lowers metabolic efficiency, and promotes fat accumulation, all of which negatively impact testosterone production. Even simple habits like daily walking, short-strength training sessions, or bodyweight exercises can significantly improve hormone balance, energy levels, and overall physical performance. Cause 5. Excess body fat, and testosterone share an inverse relationship, as fat tissue contains an enzyme called aromatase that converts testosterone into estrogen. As body fat increases, especially around the abdomen, this conversion process becomes more active, leading to lower available testosterone levels in the body. This creates a hormonal imbalance that can further increase fat storage and reduce energy. Reducing excess body fat through proper nutrition and consistent exercise can naturally improve testosterone levels while also enhancing confidence, metabolism, and overall health. Cause 6. Environmental factors. Modern environments expose men to chemicals that can disrupt hormonal balance, including BPA and phthalates found in plastics, pesticide residues in food, and certain compounds in personal care products. Some of these chemicals can mimic estrogen or interfere with natural testosterone production. Reducing exposure by using glass or stainless steel containers, choosing whole and organic foods when possible, and selecting natural personal care products. Cause 7. Aging. After the age of 30, testosterone naturally declines by approximately 1% per year, which is a normal biological process. However, lifestyle factors such as poor sleep, chronic stress, inactivity, and poor diet can significantly accelerate this decline, causing symptoms to appear earlier than expected. It is important to understand that aging alone does not cause severe testosterone loss. The encouraging truth is that most men can significantly support testosterone levels through consistent lifestyle changes, starting with sleep optimization by aiming for 7 to 9 hours of high-quality rest each night, maintaining a consistent sleep schedule, and reducing screen exposure before bed. Stress management through mindfulness, deep breathing, and regular breaks. Strength training and exercise, especially resistance training and high-intensity interval workouts, which naturally boost testosterone. Proper nutrition that includes zinc-rich foods like beef and pumpkin seeds, magnesium-rich foods like spinach and nuts, and healthy fats from sources like olive oil and fatty fish while minimizing processed foods and sugar. Vitamin D intake through sunlight exposure or supplementation when needed. Maintaining a healthy body composition through balanced diet and regular activity, and reducing toxin exposure by avoiding plastics, choosing natural products, and eating cleaner foods, alongside supporting mental and emotional health through social connection, purpose, and meaningful activities that enhance motivation and overall well-being. Small changes can create powerful results over time. Ultimately, testosterone is not just a hormone, but a reflection of overall health, lifestyle, and discipline, and by consistently focusing on sleep, nutrition, exercise, stress management, and reducing toxins, men can naturally restore balance, improve performance, and regain energy, confidence, and drive.